Bitcoin is trading at $16,799 on its way to the Richard Hart target of 11,000. See, this is why, I don't know, I wouldn't use it necessarily as an example, but it seemed like we were breaking out of this bear flag, and it was pulling down to our 11K target, and then it seems like maybe we got a fake out. Maybe we got a fake out, so to speak. But got some support over at the 16,340 target, and now we're back up to 16,802. Once again, nothing doing with Bitcoin. It's really been boring for way too long. You guys bored yet? Are you guys bored yet? It's been boring for way too long, this Bitcoin price action. We've been going for, let's go, how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 42 days of no Bitcoin price action, just hovering between 15,000, 15.8 thousand, and about 17.8 thousand. In fact, let me draw a trend line. Let's draw a trend line. This is what happens. You don't believe in TA, then the bear market comes and you get bored. So you start drawing trend lines. There you go. 1 and 2. So we haven't broken down according to this trend line. That's the thing. That's why TA is nonsense, because until then, let's say the trend line was here. Now we're breaking down, but then you just redraw the trend line, which means the trend line didn't mean anything. If you have to redraw the trend line, that means that the trend line was significant of nothing. Meant nothing. We got Cookie in the chocolate. I want to spend all my hex on a car. We got Hex Hero is in the chat. What is going on? Hex Hero. Let me put my headphones in. I'm sorry.
Hello.
Yo, is that Hex Hero?
Yes, sir.
Do you want me to put the video on, or you want to stay on audio?
Doesn't matter.
I mean, up to you. I could put your face on, or you don't want to get doxxed. I don't know.
I got my Richard Hart tracksuit on, so it's all good.
Okay, he's coming on. We got Hex Hero is on the stream. What's going on, Hex Hero?
What's up, everybody?
What's going on? What do you think about this Bitcoin price action?
Yeah, to be honest, I believe what Richard Hart said in the 11K bottom. I think it's going to happen sometime early next year, but the cycle is broken.
No, the cycle's not broken. The longest bear market would be yesterday. So if we don't go under 15,500 again, meaning it bottomed a month and a half ago, that means the cycle is still intact. If we hit a new lower low, then the cycle is broken or elongated. So what's your take on that?
I mean, come January, it's confirmed broken, right? If we don't go to 11K.
No, it's the cycle's intact. If we go to 11K, then it's broken. Meaning if the bottom was in, then the 4-year cycle continues.
Yeah, the bottom's not in yet.
The bottom's not in, so you're saying the cycle's broken?
Yes.
All right, he's saying the cycle's broken. So what do you think about this price action? We had 40 days, literally. It's been 40 days since that giant red candle. Nothing doing. I check my Coinbase. I check the charts every day. Bitcoin is just between this stupid range. Nothing exciting. no exciting price action, nothing doing on Twitter. What's your take on that?
Well, we got to wait for SBF to go to jail,
He's in jail.
And we got to wait for more terrible news about crypto. Maybe Binance, Tether has to go under, and then we can hit our 11K bottom, and that's what I'm buying.
So when do you think that's going to happen?
The next month and a half.
Next month and a half. Okay, fair enough. Okay, next month and a half. Listen, I'll be okay with that. I continue to DCA into Hex. So just gives me more opportunity. That's the way I see it. We got Chad Donner Schwans of House Donner. Thank you, Chad, for joining. Always love having you. We got Medi Staying. Just did a one-on-one with Furu. One of the best things I've done to learn. Worth every penny. Book yours today. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. I just had a consultation with Metastang, my first one. We did it for an hour. We covered setting up a hardware wallet. We covered a lot of ground, and it was very enjoyable. And I just enjoyed talking to him as well. So if you want to do a one-on-one, email me at furufinance@gmail.com. Thank you, Metastang, for those kind words. And we got Crypto Elite. Yo, got a question. Hex will have sell pressure because if you swap Hex for Pulse X or otherwise, it sells Hex or pumps up Pulse X. Isn't that bad? If you sell Hex for Pulse X, then that pushes up Pulse X against Hex, meaning Pulse X gains ground on Hex. But if you the sell pressure would be sell Hex for US dollars. That would be the sell pressure. Chad Donnerschwan says, looking good, Hex Hero. What do you think about that, Hex Hero?
Appreciate it. Appreciate it, man.
He appreciates that.